In this video, we will discuss the different types of element constraints alignments can have. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file alignment-elementconstraints.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this dataset video. In Civil 3D, there are three types of horizontal alignment elements: fixed, floating, and free. Certain constraints will automatically be placed on the horizontal elements based on the type of element and tool used to create them. A fixed element has a fixed position at both ends. Now, fixed elements are not necessarily tangent. Grip edit will lose tangency to adjacent alignment elements. For example, if I go ahead and select this alignment here and we grip move it, you'll notice the tangency is not maintained. That is because this arc is a fixed arc at both ends. Floating elements are tangent to another horizontal element either before or after it. So if we select this alignment here, notice that when I move this horizontal tangent here, it's automatically adjusting the curve because this curve is a floating curve off of the previously defined tangent. So it reacts in that way because it's a floating curve. Then you have free elements, and what free elements are is they can be attached between either two lines or two curves, and they have the ability to be manipulated from either one. A good example of this is this alignment here. This curve is a free curve. If you modify the tangent, you'll notice here that tangency is maintained and the curve is free to move as you make edits to the other connecting alignment objects.